Boil quail eggs. Cover cook for 15 minutes. Set aside. Fry the pork until oil comes out. Set aside. Sauté garlic. And onion. Add the fried pork. Add vinegar. Soy sauce. Add water. And ground black pepper. Cover and simmer for 10 minutes. Add string beans. Add quail eggs. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye-bye.